Welcome to Spreadsheet 1, Topic 3.3.3, Insert and Edit Hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are the types of text that you can click on, it's often blue and underlined, that take you to a website. There are a couple of ways to do that. One of them is to simply type the website into the spreadsheet in Google Sheets. And you will notice that it is highlighted automatically. So Google Sheets will try to recognize when what you're typing is a website, and it can take you directly to that site. Now, what if what you're typing is not a website? Let's say you're trying to link to Alberta Education. You'll notice that if I type in the existing page, it still has that blue underlined formatting. But to insert the hyperlink here, we go to this chain for insert link. And then we can actually find various links, or we could just paste a website in there. So we can type the Alberta Education, if we can type at all, and it will actually come up with a Google search for relevant links. You can follow if you want to confirm that they are correct, which is probably the best way to do it. So those are the two main ways to enter the hyperlinks. If you decide you want to edit it later, you click the pencil icon after hovering to edit the link, and then you could change both the URL and the text that is selected.